Okay, so this video is meant to show you how to connect your rangefinder, and this is your rangefinder. I gave it to you with 4 wires already plugged in. So I want to go through the schematic. Essentially, you're going to have 3 loops in your system. The first is just the power loop for the rangefinder, and the power loop means that my VCC, that's my voltage in, needs to get connected to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino, and then the ground pin on the rangefinder needs to get connected to the ground pin on the Arduino. So that is one of the loops, okay? The next loop is essentially, it's hard to think of them as loops, but it's your trigger and your echo loop. So your trigger, which I've represented as yellow, just goes from your trigger pin on your rangefinder to pin number 6 on your Arduino board. And then there's the echo pin on your rangefinder, and it goes from echo to pin number 7, okay? So that's the basic schematic. Now, in terms of how this is gonna look on your Arduino board, for this one, we're actually not going to use the breadboard because all of my wires here can just fly off of my Arduino. So 2 of the wires are gonna get connected to this side of my Arduino, and that is my voltage in and my ground. And so again, I've color coded it where my red is going to be my voltage in and my ground is black. I don't remember how I gave you guys the wires there, but for me, voltage in is my red and my ground is my black, and so you can kind of see what that looks like there, my voltage in and my ground. And then on the other side, I have my trigger going into number 6 and my echo going into number 7. And again, I have color coded it so that my trigger is yellow and my echo is blue. Go UC colors. And those are just going to go into pins number 6 and 7. Okay, so you can see that there. So that is how you would connect your rangefinder. Again, pretty straightforward. We're just flying off of the Arduino. We're not actually using the breadboard.